Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Focus headlight bulb 2009, easy method. Begin by gathering an H7 bulb, gloves, and a flat screwdriver, then park on level ground and turn off the engine. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Let the old bulb cool completely before touching it. Keep the new bulb clean and handle by the base only. Follow the steps calmly and test lights after reassembly. With the hood open, locate the headlight housing and remove the rear cover by twisting it counterclockwise. If access is limited, carefully reposition the air intake or battery clamp for better reach without forcing parts. Keep track of any clips or screws you remove and set them aside in order. Work in a well-lit space and maintain a calm pace. This prevents damage and makes reassembly straightforward. Press the release tab and unplug the wiring connector from the bulb, then turn the socket counterclockwise and pull it out gently. Remove the old bulb by pulling it straight from the housing, avoiding contact with the glass. Insert the new H7 bulb by the base, turn the socket clockwise until it seats, and reconnect the wiring. Reinstall the rear cover and test the headlight to confirm proper alignment and operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.